Ayan. So, welcome po ulit dito po sa atin para po sa ating video for factoring trinomial. So, ano po ba ang meron sa factoring trinomials po natin? So, we have 1. So, this will be a different style paano po tayo magkakaroon ng factors for the given. So, trinomials would have 3 terms. So, for example, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so given that we have this x squared plus 4x plus 4, look at the last term. So, basihan natin will be the last term. If the last term is positive, ayan po, sulat natin. If the last term is positive, then the factors can either be both positive or both negative. At kanino na lang po depende yon. Depende na lang po yon doon sa ating magiging middle term. So for example po, let's try to factor out this one. So factors of x squared. So para po makarating sa x squared, one of the factors could be x times x. So let's write x here. So ito po yung parang magiging graph natin dyan. And then look for the factors of 4. So we can use 2 and 2. So doon naman natin ilalagay yung factor sa right side po ng graph natin. Then after that, cross multiply. So we have x times 2 is 2x. Then another x times 2 is another 2x. So since ang usapan po natin dito, positive yung last term, ibig sabihin, it will either be positive or both positive or both negative, depending on the middle term. Tingnan natin si middle term. Middle term is positive, so that means both of the terms should be positive po. So tingnan natin. So, ito po bang dalawa, ilalagay natin parehong plus dahil nga positive po siya. And then, lahat po ng nandito sa part na to na may ilalagay ninyo will always be under addition of integers. Okay? So, both positive 2x and positive 2x, that is positive 4x. Pareho na po pa tayo sa middle term ng ating given trinomial. Yes, very good. So, that means ito na po yung magiging factors natin. Kaso, kulang siya ng signs. So, ang mangyayari po, ito po yung magiging kahabaan ng linya. Ito yung plus, kung ano yung sign na nandito, yun yung ilalagay natin sa gitna ng dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, ang susulat po natin for this part is plus, and this one is also another plus. So, ito yung magpares, ito yung another pair. So, the final answer will be the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. So, ito po yung factors ng x squared plus 4x plus 4. Let's try another one. Let's say I have here x squared minus 6x plus 8. So, still, positive pa rin po yung dulo natin. So, ang sagot lang natin will either be both positive or both negative. So, let's look for the factors. So, that is x and x. How about the factors of 8? It can be 4 and 2. So, multiply. X times 4 is 4x. X times 2 is 2x. Very good. O, ano daw po magiging sign? Both positive or both negative? So, dahil negative yung middle term natin, both negative po ang kukunin natin. Ang tanong, under addition of integers po ulit, what will be the result of having negative 4x and negative 2x? Negative 6x. Pareho na po ba yan doon sa ating middle term? Yes. So, pareho na. Then, yung signs, si negative 4x minus dito, si negative 2x minus dito. So, that na lang po inside the quantity. So, that's x minus 4. quantity of x minus 4 times the quantity of x minus 2. Okay? So that's the final answer. O sige nga po, pakitry po nitong given natin na x squared plus 7x plus 6. Sige po. Isipin maigi. Ano po kaya yung pwede maging factors ng 6 na kung saan ang magiging sagot natin pag tinotal natin ay yung middle term po natin. Again, the last term is positive. So kung positive po yan, ano po ang dapat na maging signs po natin? Both positive or both negative. Sige po, try nyo pong sagutan, kumuha ng scratch paper, try nyo pong sagutan on your own. Tingnan natin maigi. If you try the factors of 6 to be 3 and 2, mamamali po tayo doon kasi kahit anong total ninyo, hindi siya abot ng 7. But there's still another factor that will be what? 6 and 1. Very good. So multiply, this will be 1x, and then the other one is 6x. Both positive. Ang magiging total po ba ay 7x? Yes, very good. So that means yung sign nito dito, yung sign nito dito. So factors will be x plus 1, a quantity of x plus 1, and the quantity of x plus 6. Yeah, very good po. Sige nga po, try natin i-check kung tama po ba. One example, x plus 1 times x plus 6. So by doing the FOIL method, x times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. 1 times x is 1x. And 1 times 6 is 6. So, pwede na natin pagsamahin dyan ay yung positive 6x at positive 1x. And that will result to x squared plus 7x plus 6. Pareho po ba mula dun sa kailangan sagutan? Yes. Okay, so therefore, our answer there is correct. Very good. Next, siyempre, paano naman po kaya kung negative or minus yung last term po natin? For example, we have here x squared plus 3x minus 10. Ano naman po ang magiging rule natin? If the last term is negative, then one of the factors must be positive and the other one is negative. Bakit daw po ganun? Kasi nga, di ba, if we multiply different signs, automatically, the sign will be negative. So, paano po natin gagawin sa x squared plus 3x minus 10? So, another graph, x and x, factors of 10 will be 2 and 5. Cross multiply 2x, cross multiply 5x. So, paano po yan? So, pagkakagawa sa atin dyan, ano na po ang next step po natin dyan? So, sabi nga, isang positive at isang negative. Kapag sa under ng addition of integers, kapag meron tayong positive at negative, we do the subtraction. Tama po ba? Okay. Ang target natin na maging result ay yung middle term. Ang middle term ay positive. So, kung ano po yung sign ng middle term natin, doon natin ilalagay sa mas mataas ang product. Sino po ang naging mas mataas na product between 5x and 2x? 5x. So, ibig sabihin, si 5x yung positive, then the other one is negative. Bakit po ulit magkaiba yung sign nila? Kasi the last term is negative. So kung the last term is negative, then one of the factors must be positive and the other one must be negative. So try natin. What is negative 2x and positive 5x? Positive 3x. Pareho po ba tayo ng middle term? Yes, very good. So itapat lang si negative 2x, ang sign niya dito, ito ang magiging sign ng katapatan niya. Itong positive, dito naman sa katapat. Then, pagsamahin sa loob ng quantity. So, the quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 5. Very good. So, that's the final answer. Let's try another one. If we have here x squared minus 4x minus 45. Sir, paano po ba yan? Ibig sabihin po ba niya, dahil parehong minus yung factors? Hindi po. Basta ang usapan natin, pag negative ang last term, pareho po dapat isang positive at isang negative, dapat na maging sagot po natin. So, factors of 45. So, we'll have x and x. 45 will have 9 and 5. So, this is 5x. The other one is 9x. O, ang middle term natin, ang dapat na maging sagot ay negative 4x. Kung ano yung sign ng middle term, ilalagay sa mas mataas na number. That is 9. So, kung negative to, positive is 5. Ilagay sa kahilera yung sign. Therefore, your answer will be x minus 9. And the other quantity is x plus. Very good. Okay? So, what if you're going to have here x squared plus x minus 20. Sige nga po, pakitry nga po gawin kung ano po yung magiging sagot ko dito. Yan. Another scratch paper po. Think of the factors of 20. And after that, isang positive at isang negative. I'll give you time. Okay, so kung ang nilagay ninyong factors si 20 ay 10 and 2, parang hindi naman po siya sasapat para lumabas ang 1. But if you use 5 and 4, I think that would be an appropriate factor. So 5 and 4 cross multiply 5x and 4x. Since the middle term is positive, sino mas mataas? 5, then the other one will be negative. So ang lalabas po ba dito ay positive x? Yes. So, dito yung plus, dito yung minus. So, factors, the x plus 5 and x minus 1. So, we got the correct answer. Congratulations po sa inyo. Ha? Sa pagkakuha ng tamang sagot. So, yan na po lahat para po sa factoring trinomials po natin. Bye. Thank you.